पाकिस्तान के 78वें यौम आज़ादी की तकरीब आज़ादी मेला 2025 फैमली फन डे आउट बज़रिया पाकिस्तान वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन हाई वाई कॉम्बी 25 अगस्त 2025 बैंक छुट्टी पीर 12 बजे से 7 बजे तक हाई वाई कॉम्बी क्रिकेट क्लब लंदन की तरफ से स्पॉन्सर AIHL एक्सीडेंट इंजरी हेल्प लाइन ذاتی चोट के मुआवजे में माहिर पाकिस्तान वैल्फेयर एसोसिएशन हाई वाई कॉम्बी कम्युनिटी को एक साथ लाना यूनाइटेड किंगडम की तरफ से पेश किया। पाकिस्तान का यौम आज़ादी जश्न आज़ादी कप मेला 78वें काबिल फ़ख्र साल क्रिकेट T10 टूर्नामेंट की मेज़बानी रॉकी खान फैमली फन डे आउट मुफ्त दाखिला हाई वाई कॉम्बी क्रिकेट क्लब लंदन RD हाई वाई कॉम्बी HP 111 DI नॉन स्टॉप। बच्चों को तफरीह फराहम की गई। एक बेहतरीन ख़ानदानी दिन जश्न आज़ादी को याद किया। एक कामयाब इवेंट जो मुकम्मल तफरीही ख़ानदानी वाक़या था और कम्युनिटी ने भरपूर लुत्फ़ उठाया।
और हर एक को आज़ादी हासिल है। आप जिस पार्टी को लाइक करें कोई आपको नहीं रोक सकता। आपका हक है जिस पार्टी को आप लाइक करें। पर मैं कोई अकेला ऐसा नहीं हो सकता हूँ कि मैं अपनी राय आप पे मुसलत करूँ या आप अपनी राय किसी दूसरे पे मुसलत करें। मुझे जो पसंद है मैं अपने दिल में उसको रखूंगा, मगर बाकी लोगों के जज्बात का एहतराम करूंगा। तो हम सब मिलकर यहाँ किसी सियासी पार्टी के लिए नहीं है, किसी फर्द वाहिद के लिए नहीं है, अपने मुल्क पाकिस्तान के लिए है और पाकिस्तान की आज़ादी का जश्न मनाने के लिए इकट्ठे हैं यहाँ पे। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ नईम ताहिर साहब का। ये मेरा बहुत ही प्यारे भाई हैं।
इस तरह का सारा ये प्रोग्राम हो ही नहीं सकता था। तो इसके पीछे लोगों का भी कमाल है। मेरा कुछ भी नहीं, बस मैं एक बात कर देता हूँ कि ये होना है। पक्की थैंक यू। ये लोग मेरी इज्जत रखते हैं, मेरे साथ चलते हैं।
मुझे ये बताएं कि शो ऑर्गेनाइज करने के साथ इतना ज्यादा बोलना भी समरीन ने आपको सिखाया?
नहीं
मजाक कर रहा हूँ। समरीन is definitely one of the very hard.
Hi everyone, I'm here with the mayor of High Wycombe and I would like to congratulate you. There was a huge turnout of diverse community. They all celebrated Independence Day in High Wycombe and I feel like Mr. Naeem Tahir, who represents his company Accident Injury Claim, his all efforts were successful. What would you like to say?
First of all, I would like to say thank you to you for interviewing me, and I'm a Councillor Majid Hussain from High Wycombe. I was invited by a name card AIHL to celebrate the Pakistan Independence Day. I've always said this, that you should be a proud British Pakistani Kashmiri wherever you go. This country has given us a lot, and whatever we are today is because of this country. And seeing the turnout here of the wider community is a really privilege and honour to be here amongst everybody to represent a Pakistan Independence Day.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I feel like you are the people, the right people who are standing for Pakistan globally. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. And thank you very much for all the hard work that you're doing for the community. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
This event in my constituency in High Wycombe to celebrate Pakistan Independence Day, and I was talking in my speech earlier about having visited Pakistan over 20 years ago, and what a fantastic country it is. Beautiful countryside, fantastic food, beautiful colours are you shown today, beautiful dress, haute couture. I really enjoyed visiting Pakistan, and I'd like to go again someday, inshallah.
Thank you very much, and I really appreciate it because you came here today, you promoted Pakistani country in such a beautiful way.
Thank you very much.
I really like that because it's not the country, it's the people. Some people chose to give Pakistan a bad name, but it's not the whole community. And when it comes from the Western community, a mayor who actually have experience being in the country, you went, you traveled, you had such a good experience, and then you shared it with all the British Pakistani, but also the British citizens, because this message will go all over the world on social media. I really appreciate.
Thank you.
I want British people, whether you're English or you're Pakistani, whichever community you are, please visit Pakistan. It's such a beautiful country. It's about you. It's about you being positive. The positivity comes from inside. Then you see the
Independence Day, Pakistan, and I came to this event. I had a nice stall for my clothes. This is my collection. They are stitched to perfection for my tailor. मेरे टेलर से बहुत अच्छे स्टिच हुए हैं। मेरे जिन्होंने क्लाइंट्स ने पहने, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे जाए वो सब दे ऑल हैप्पी। And please do come. I'm based in Wembley, and do check out my Instagram.
Kashmir, UK, and I'm here today to celebrate Pakistan Independence Day. And I feel quite lucky because it's my second time that I'm actually here for Pakistan Independence Day. I celebrated in Pakistan High Commission, and today I'm at High Wycombe, and it's a beautiful place you can see. And there has been a cricket match here, and a lot of Pakistani families, families and individual people are here. There's a lot of stalls, and the weather.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm here at the Independence event organized by the Accident Claim Helpline. We're having a brilliant time. I have a sweet stall here named as the Sweetlicious Group. Please follow me on Instagram, and I'm wishing you everyone a very, very happy Independence Day. Take care.